Call Oakley traffic, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu is taxiing to runway 23, call Oakley. Call Oakley traffic, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu is departing runway 23, call Oakley. I feel like if I'm too far up front, I don't like it, and then if I'm too far back, I don't like it. All right, final is clear. Temps are good, pressure is good, everything's looking in the green. It's going to take a little while to get going because it's a hot day. All right, runway 23 verifies both places, full power. We got full power, gauges are all in the green, airspeed is barely alive. I want to be at 42 knots, so I got 42 knots. Halfway middle of the runway, anything less than that I would have aborted. 60, we're going to take it up, keep it low, keep it fast, and all right, we're off and going. And climb on VY. Call Oakley traffic, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu will be overflying the field at 2,000, climbing to 6,000, exiting to the north. Final call, Call Oakley. Memphis Center, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu off of Charlie Echo Yankee, climbing through 2,900. Would like to pick up our IFR to Mike Victor November.
Number 737 Charlie Zulu, Memphis Center, squawk 1643.
1643 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
Or 737 Charlie, that's radar contact 2 miles north of Kyle Oakley, clear to Mount Vernon, that's filed. Climb and maintain 6,000, say altitude leaving.
We're climbing through 3,500 now, cleared as file direct up to 6,000 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
November 65440, contact Memphis Center 120.07.
Memphis Center 737 Charlie Zulu, can we stay at 4,000?
I'm sorry, who is it?
737 Charlie Zulu requesting 4,000 instead of 6.
737 Charlie Zulu, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
For 737 Charlie Zulu, contact Kansas City Center 127.47.
2747 for 737 Charlie Zulu, good day. Kansas City Center 737 Charlie Zulu, level 4,000.
November 737 Charlie Zulu, Kansas City Center, Marion altimeter 29906.
906 for 737 Charlie Zulu.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, VFR traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 15 miles southbound, type unknown, altitude indicates 3,000.
737 Charlie Zulu is looking.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, change to my frequency 127.7.
27.7 for 737 Charlie Zulu. And Charlie Zulu's on 27.7.
Charlie Zulu, roger, thank you. Mount Vernon altimeter 29906.
906 for 737 Charlie Zulu, thank you.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, looks like that traffic is circling in the area. Currently, you're 1 o'clock, 10 miles northbound, 3,100 indicated. Descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 2,200.
Down to 2,200 PD for 737 Charlie Zulu, and we're looking still. Kansas City Center 737 Charlie Zulu has Mount Vernon inside. We can go and cancel.
November 7 Charlie Zulu, roger. IFR cancellation received. That VFR traffic is now at your 1 o'clock, 8 miles westbound, 3,100 indicated. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR and change to advisory is approved.
Squawking VFR for 737 Charlie Zulu. Have a good day.
Good day.
737 Charlie Zulu is 14 miles to the south, inbound for runway 5, full stop, Mount Vernon.
737 Charlie Zulu, winds are 030 to 040 at about 5 knots.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 737 Charlie Zulu is 10 to the south now, descending out of 3,500. We'll be setting up for runway 5, Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon traffic, 737 Charlie Zulu, 3 miles to the south, inbound for runway 5, Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon traffic, 737 Charlie Zulu, 1 mile final, runway 5, full stop, Mount Vernon. Alright, gas and carrier mixture seat belts. I have no clue. So 2 red, 2 white, we're on glide. This is the attitude you want to have. And speed checks were 70, short final, we'll pitch for 65. It's turning slightly red, means I'm low.
Right.
So I'm keeping the power in. We're on glide, 2 red, 2 white. Short final, 65, speed checks. Runway is made, power to idle. Flaps up. So she's probably just now turning downwind. It's very slow, very slow. Mount Vernon traffic, 737 Charlie Zulu is clear of the runway, Mount Vernon. What time is it, babe? It's okay, we'll push it in. He should be gassing it up.
Mount Vernon traffic, 675 uniform. We are turning downwind on runway 5.
We're going to get the
at
truck.
midfield. Mount Vernon traffic.